Takhamuthi tasemikhukhwini eKhaleb eMochabi tiselivalweni ngenxa lesimo selitulu lesikhona. Empeleni khona vele lengodi ukuthi tingatfola tsenkinga ngenxa yetikhukhula. Sekuyiminyaka letakhamuthi hlaselwa tigameko talolu hlobo.
We are struggling because there is a poor service. People can't go to taxis, the taxis can't get inside the community. A lot of community people are crying. When it rains, it floats everywhere.
No transport, no visitors. Even if you are going somewhere, you are not supposed to go there because of the water. Even when you want to go to police station, clinic, you are not going there because of the weather.
Kumasipala lomkhulu we-Mangaung uthi Tindzaba letiphasi ngito letiletsa khathateka lokukhulu.
We have been warned by our disaster management team that most of the flooding in the house occurs in the low-lying areas. So we are continuously also running the public education or sending out information as to how our community should behave during this time.
If we are looking at where we're expecting the heaviest rain for today, it's over the extreme eastern parts of the Northern Cape, the western and central parts of the Free State, as well as the western parts of the northwest province.
Letimvula kulindzeleke kutsi tiphele kule mlasondvo lesiya kuyo.